As a 107 drone pilot, when you want to fly drones that are designed for recreational flyers like the DJI Neo or the DJI Flip, those drones don't have a remote ID built into the drone, which is great for recreational flyers who don't need the remote ID. But those of us with the 107 pilot's license who need to fly with the 107 to comply can use a Ruco remote ID broadcast module to upgrade our recreational drones to that capacity or that ability. Let's go ahead and open up the package here and take a look at how this one is shipped. So this is a transponder which is going to transmit both the remote ID information as well as the location where the drone took off, as well as the speed, the duration, and all that kind of information. So what we're looking at is a couple of different ways to connect the unit to the drones with hook and loop, with physical attachments. There's even a cable here to recharge the unit. There's a manual, and then the unit itself. If we take a look at it, we have a power button, and this should act as a light as well. So this is going to be a remote ID as well as a light. And then we have a couple of different modes here, I guess. Now this recharges with USB-C. It adheres to the drone. Just want to make sure you put it on so it doesn't interfere with the center of gravity. And now you have a remote ID transponder for your recreational model drones. This one's from Ruco, and that's why I bought it. Hope this helps.